Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for all things beauty, hair, fashion, and lifestyle. It's Lady M here, and today I'm coming at you with another first impressions review demo of a new foundation. It's not a new launch, but it's new to me, and it's my first time using it. And dun dun dun, it's the Lawless Conceal the Deal foundation. It's their long wear full coverage foundation. I am in the shade Toasted Almond, and that's what we're going to be using in today's video. So I'm so excited to try this, and this is one of the cleaner foundations from Sephora, so it's under their Clean at Sephora, and it also says on the packaging Clean AF. So I'm excited. This is my first time, I think, using a clean foundation. So we kind of want to see, how does it hand up, how does it perform? How does it stand up? And this is supposed to be a full coverage and a matte foundation. So before we jump into the demo, application, final thoughts, review, all that good stuff, if you aren't subscribed, then please take the time to hit that subscribe button down below. While you're there, make sure you turn on your notification bells to be notified whenever I upload new videos. All right, guys, so without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump into today's foundation wear test review of the Lawless Conceal the Deal foundation. Let's go. This is the Clean Beauty. It says on the side, it says Clean AF on the side of the box. This is what the packaging is. Oh my God, it matches my nail. This has 1 fluid ounce of foundation. It says Conceal the Deal Long Wear Fluid Coverage Foundation. It also says it's long wearing, lightweight fluid foundation, delivers modern full coverage with a self-setting natural matte finish that feels fresh and weightless on the skin. This blendable and buildable foundation feels like a serum and fuses with the skin to even tone, blurs our pores, smooth texture, and cover imperfections. Active ingredients provide blue light and antioxidant protection while soothing irritation and sensitivity, and it says that it is silicone free. So I picked this up a while ago. I think I picked this up during, I think Sephora was having like 20% off foundations or something, and I picked it up, and needless to say, I am just now getting around to using it. It has a little ball on the inside, so I'm just trying to shake that up. It does seem very watery, and I already primed my face. This has been like one of my favorite primers. This one is from YSL, and it is their Instant Matte Pore Mattifier. Oh, Instant Matte Pore Refiner primer, and I have been loving that. So I currently have that on, so I have kind of shaken this up very well. So let's test it out. I am just gonna put it on my hand so we can kind of see. So it is pretty watery, as you can see there. That's the color. And I'm going to use my infamous Morphe brush for sure and see what the color looks like. And I didn't even test this out, honestly, guys. I just went ahead and tried to color match myself online on Sephora, and that was how I figured out my color. And it seems like it may be a good match. Yeah. So I have just that one pump on that side, and from the front on, I don't really see any blurring or smoothing or any texture. So I'm gonna go in with another pump or not even a pump, another squirt here. And I'm just going to spread that on my face, just like that. And now I can see, and this says that it's full coverage, so I don't even see that it's giving me like full coverage vibes, but I have it on the whole side here. Ooh. Trying to move my hair out of the way. And I know there's full coverage when it comes to my forehead because I have some black spots on my forehead. And so anything that's gonna be full coverage, if it covers up those spots on my forehead, then I know that we're in business, right? So says it's also self-setting and a natural matte finish. So doesn't really have a smell, honestly. No fragrance, so that is good. So if you like foundations that don't have any fragrances, then this one is going to be your jam. So yeah, I don't see, yes, it actually covered up the black spots on my forehead. I don't see them at all. So far so good as far as that goes. Ooh, that's nice. So there I have it completely on this side, and look at that. That's nice. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with a little bit more, same amount as before, and I'm just gonna do that on the other side. So just swiping it on. I'm gonna go and pick up the rest. And now I'm just dabbing it on, and it looks pretty good. Don't have any color corrector or anything, just going in with the foundation. I'm not gonna lie, it looks kind of dark. When I look at it here, it looks kind of dark. Look at the line. Do you see that? But this was like the best color that I thought would work for me. So that is why I picked Toasted Almond. But nonetheless, it's okay. I'm gonna go in with a lighter concealer today, and my one size, I don't know what it's called. The one size concealer is what I'm gonna go in. Turn up the base, that's what I'm gonna be using for concealer because it is a lot lighter and it will kind of help balance out this. So, all right, guys, that is what it is looking like. What do you guys think? Yeah, I look nicely tanned. But I think it's okay. Okay, so I finished the foundation. I put on my concealer, which was the one size Turn Up the Base concealer in the shade Dark 3. Or is it Dark 3? Yep, Dark 3. And so far the foundation has really dried down very nice. I have not set the foundation at all. I'm actually gonna try to skip that just to kind of see what it looks like and how it wears, but it does look like it has dried down pretty matte. So I'm gonna do my eyes, and then I'm gonna come back and then show you what the foundation looks like after doing my eyes. And I will do some blush and bronzer as well, although that would require me to kind of set it a little bit. So we'll see. I'll let you guys know, and I'll come back to show you what it's looking like. Okay. All right, guys, so I finished my full face off, and everything that I used for today's face, eyes, everything is gonna be listed in the description box down below. So if you're interested in seeing any of those items, then be sure to check out the description box below. Okay, so my thoughts on the foundation. You guys, I really like the foundation. Like, I definitely feel like I have coverage. It is not giving me like skin vibes at all. Like it looks like I have on like a full face, like, you know, full coverage. I definitely have coverage. I definitely feel like it is like matte vibes. I definitely feel like it's natural. I definitely also feel like it is lightweight because I do not feel like I have on a ton of product on my face. Matter of fact, I feel like I have nothing on my face at all, but I love the way that my skin is looking. There's no glow or anything, but it just looks, I don't even know how to describe it. You guys tell me what you think about what the foundation looks like. I definitely think going in with the lighter concealer just really helped with the color a little bit. But other than that, I feel like the color just kind of adapted and just kind of, you know, looks really nice on me. So I definitely like the color. I like, you know, the shade that I picked out. I definitely feel like it is a good match. And I don't even see, like, I can't really even see anything. There's my like forehead. Like you can probably kind of see a little bit of the oils probably kind of seeping through. But it's not drying. It's not one of those dry matte foundations. I don't feel dry. I feel nice. Like my skin feels normal. So I do love the foundation. Even though it's kind of serumy, it didn't really run. It applied very nice. It built it up easily. So I have to say that based off all of the claims, it does like kind of live up to what it says. Long wearing, lightweight, it's fluid. It delivers full coverage with a self-setting natural matte finish that feels fresh and weightless on the skin. Absolutely true. It says this blendable and buildable foundation feels like a serum and fuses with the skin to even tone. And that's what I meant. Like, I feel like it just kind of balanced, like adapted to my skin and just kind of like given me a nice evenness to my skin and just probably worked really well to match me a lot better. Because in the beginning, I felt like it was kind of dark and more orangey, but not really orange. It just was a little bit dark. It says it fuses, it blurs my pores. I don't really know because I can see some texture here. It says that it blurs pores, smooth texture, and cover imperfections. Well, it did. I had some black spots like on my forehead and I don't really see that. But as far as smoothing texture, I don't really see that because you can still kind of see, you know, texture here. I don't really have pores, but you can definitely see that it's not as smooth as I would like. Yeah, so far, I totally think that this is a good foundation. It's winter here, it's not really winter here where I am, but it's, you know, cooler. The temperature is not as hot and humid as it is in the summertime. So this may be something that would be a nice winter type foundation. You know, like for somewhere like here in Florida, this is probably like good for this time of the year where the humidity is not there, but you still want something that's gonna be, you know, matte on the face. So for right now, I give this thumbs up for sure. Let me know in the comments, are you guys going to pick this up? Have you tried it? What are your thoughts? Again, my shade is Toasted Almond. So let me know what you think about what the coverage looks like. What does the foundation look like in the comment section below. If you aren't subscribed, then make sure you take the time to hit that subscribe button. Turn on your notification bells as well to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Thanks for joining me in today's video, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.